I met Pratap Group, Indore. Okay, we come here. This is the assembly plant. I am just showing you one by one. This is the cell loading. Okay, this is the robot. Robot is there. And the trailer put it the conveyor. Now you go. Here you can see this is the EOP sensor is the OCR IR floating is done here. Right? It measure it like 3.2 volt is the nominal voltage, 3.1 or 3.3 whatever is there. It comes there. Then these are the channels, different channels you can see. Right? So accordingly it's set. One is the NG, not good. Right? So this is the OCIR sorting is done. This is the overall sorting. Right? Then come to this one. Here you can see this is another robot. It's a cell staking. Means whatever the cell came here, they are staked here. Right? So this is a cell staking robot. Simply. Then you come here to the cell polarity check. This machine you can see it check the polarity. Means plus minus is automatically. You can see cell orientation change. Right? It's a Volters is the brand name. Pratap Group Volters is the brand name. Right? So it's first in the country. Right? These are the 100 ampere of cell basically. Right? Now this is the manual testing. This testing is thermal insulation paired between the two cells. That is done. This is the manual testing machine. You can see. Right? So further after testing, this is the another logo. Okay. That you can see. What it do? It's the cell staking. Right? So it took the cell on the compression table. Here you can see the compression table. One is this is the compression cell compression table. One is this one. You can see. Another is this side also. There are two cell compression tables. This is the two gantry. This module is bigger. Here is the compression. And this is the compression. This is the line is done by the Mastrotech. Other than laser welding machine. Laser welding machine is directly arranged by the Volters. Correct? This is the pressure around 12.5 bar is put in this way. Then it comes after this comes laser cleaning. Laser cleaning machine you can see inside is the laser cleaning machine. Okay, robot, everything robotic is there. Fume extractor is also there. Then the bus bar pressure, it's a manual bus bar pressure. You can see this is the CCS. That you can see this is the CCS and this is the aluminum bus bar. Okay, this is aluminum bus bar which is put here. I cannot put right now. It is put like that and this is the again ready for laser welding. So next is the laser welding. You can see right now it's running laser welding is done here. Correct? And after laser welding, cleaning is done. Right? This is the Sino machine. Laser welding and cleaning. This is not Mastrotech. This is from Sino. Correct? After that, here is the final module. Final test means EOL, end of line test. The voltage and internal resistance test is done here in this machine. And insulation test is done here. Right? Then through this gantry, yeah, this is the insulation test. Then this through gantry, this module is here. Then it is a auto gluing machine. You can see that this is a robotic auto gluing. Okay. So the lower box come there, auto gluing is done with liquid plate water. This is a conveyor motor. You can see. Then it comes there. The module is transferred here and put in this battery pack. This battery pack you can see. It is put here, right? Then this is the temperature sensor, voltage sensor, BMS, contactor, MSD, everything is fit here, right? And then further this, like that. This is the pack overall ready. Same way you can do this way also we can do. Lower box comes this way, correct? So this is the overall line. Top cover tightening, you can do the air tightness test here. Liquid cooling plate is there, that test is here. Okay, so this is the way overall you can do. This is the final product. Pack. So the pack air. Now final one pack is done. Is the aging test. So pack air leak test, insulation test, every test is done here. Now this is the final product of the base assembly line. It is used for telecom, or you can use it for here EV also, and for base also, right? So this is the way. It's a Pratap Group. Volters is the brand, which is very good, and they are into lot of other OLC also will be launched. This particular assembly line plant is today inaugurated by CM Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mohan Yadav ji and Gajendra Singh ji Shekhawat, Cabinet Minister. Thank you.